The future of space tourism. Imagine soaring beyond Earth's atmosphere, experiencing the thrill of weightlessness, and gazing at the vast expanse of the universe. This dream is no longer just for astronauts, as the future of space tourism and commercial space travel is rapidly becoming a reality. Join us as we explore the advancements and possibilities of this exciting field and discover how you can be a part of the space revolution. Subscribe to our channel for the latest update. The future of space tourism and commercial space travel is an exciting and rapidly evolving field. With advancements in technology and a growing interest in space exploration, the possibilities for space travel are endless. Space tourism, once considered a pipe dream, is now becoming a reality with companies like Virgin Galactic and SpaceX offering trips to space for civilians. In addition, commercial space travel is also on the rise, with companies like Boeing and SpaceX working on developing reusable spacecraft for transportation to and from space. Commercial suborbital trips. Suborbital travel will likely be the space tourism subsector to materialize first, but it may also be the most short-lived. However, Blue Origin, backed by Jeff Bezos, is testing its new Shepard system that will launch customers to the edge of space in a capsule which separates from a small rocket and retreats back to Earth under parachutes. Richard Branson's company Virgin Galactic relies on a spaceplane, dropped from a carrier aircraft, with a rocket motor that speeds up and takes passengers high into the atmosphere. But there's some hope. Some experts look to commercial suborbital trips to take the place of long-distance air travel that can eventually cater to everyday citizens. SpaceX plans to use its Starship rocket to fly 100 people around the world in mere minutes. The company stated that a 15-hour flight to Shanghai from New York would be capable of flying in 39 minutes. According to UBS, if even only 5% of the average 150 million passengers that travel on 10-hour or longer flights pay $2,500 per trip, then returns could skyrocket to $20 billion per year in today's value. Orbital vacations, orbital tourism, which entails remaining in space for at least one full orbit, is another major focus of governmental agencies and private space companies, all of which have the long-term goal to inhabit the Moon and Mars. Projects from Boeing, SpaceX, and Axiom Space plan to start launching tourists to the International Space Station on commercial spacecraft, beginning as early as this year. SpaceX is also partnering with Space Adventures to send 4 tourists to low Earth orbit for a few days in late 2021 or early 2022. As more companies consider in-space tourism, orbital vacations are set to become a popular trend. Orbital vacationing infrastructure, including orbital and lunar base hotels, is positioned to become lucrative as space infrastructure companies already hauled in a combined $3.6 billion so far this year. Much of this infrastructure remains in preliminary stages, but the first approach may be to establish low-orbit hotels. One hotel design expects to send guests in a hydrogen-filled balloon with a pressurized capsule, utilizing Earth's gravity. Other options include designing or renovating an existing space station to accommodate guests. NASA, for instance, is opening up the International Space Station for commercial tourism. The Aurora Station, a planned luxury hotel that will host 6 guests for a $9.5 million, 12-day stay in low Earth orbit, will charge $9.5 million for the trip. It's pricey, but experts predict prices will fall like they did in the tech industry for computers and mobile phones. A proposal for expandable space habitats may also serve as orbital hotels. Made of unique materials and easily stored at home, they are launched to space where they're inflated to true size. Bigelow Space invented the B-330, a space habitat that enlarges to form a hotel or living area for humans in space. As demand increases, they are interconnected to other inflatable habitats to increase their size. Bigelow also plans to develop an attached inflated module to the International Space Station as one of the first hotels in space. In-space vacations will eventually be the gateway for Moon and Mars habitation. Of course, there are crucial safety, comfort and health factors to consider. Training, medical screenings, and liability waivers will need to be examined before tourists head to space. Space tourism will be a small subsector of the industry, but it will bolster the entire new space industry. Once space tourism does become mainstream, it will also positively impact many socioeconomic factors on Earth, creating jobs, educating citizens about space, and fostering a new solar-based energy infrastructure. The sweet escape to the stars can eventually awaken us to the awe-inspiring potential of space exploration, while also giving us a better appreciation of home. The future of space tourism and commercial space travel is an exciting and rapidly evolving field. With advances in technology, private companies are now able to offer space travel experiences to the general public. This includes suborbital flights and even trips to space hotels. As the cost of space travel continues to decrease, more and more people will have the opportunity to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos. Additionally, commercial space travel will open up new opportunities for scientific research, economic development, and even space mining. With the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, the future of space tourism and commercial space travel is truly limitless. The possibilities are endless, and we are only at the tip of the iceberg. We can expect to see more private companies entering the space race, new innovations, and the discovery of new opportunities. It is an exciting time to be alive, and we can all look forward to the advancements that will be made in the coming years. With the help of private companies and government agencies, the future of space travel is looking brighter than ever. Let us all embrace this exciting journey and look forward to the many opportunities that space travel will bring. Subscribe to Spacefight for more space videos. Thanks for watching.